Anand Ranganathan, I'm not able to understand. The NSUI representative and Deepak Jha, you know, they are making a khichdi. They are making a khichdi of their objections. They say, one minute, Deepak Jha ji, एक मिनट बोल लेने दीजिए, एक मिनट, Doctor, 1 minute. I'm going to have to lower everybody's faders because I'm on a distant virtual call. So kindly let's follow the protocol. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, the NSUI representative feels that there is not enough money given. Mr. Deepak Jha feels that not enough universities have been made. They feel that Modi is not the right man, even though Swami Vivekananda is right man. I want to ask you, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, why is there such a cocktail of reasons? Why are they getting so confused about what their opposition is? Because last year, you saw how the desecration happened, and I can put out on 14th of November those pictures of desecration that actually happened last time. You know, they actually, you know, called BJP fascist. They used abuses for the BJP. All of that happening. I want to ask you, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, Yaqub Memon acceptable to them, Afzal Guru acceptable to them, Modi unacceptable to them, India unacceptable to them, saffron unacceptable to them, even though it's part of the Tiranga, and Swami Vivekananda becomes an issue on which they protest for universities not being set up across the country. I mean, isn't this bizarre?
Good evening, Navika. No, of course it is. And let me first step tell you that it is an honor for JNU to have the Swami Vivekananda statue. And befitting as well. Rarely do we see men exhibit a seamless confluence of the arts and the sciences, and Vivekananda was one such man. Not many know this, but setting up of India's premier science institute, the IISc, was his idea. Sadly, these leftists and communists have always derided him as of, quote, petty bourgeois origin, quote, prophet of Hindu nationalism, unquote. Many have even called him fascist, an advocate of Hinduism and Hindutva, especially for saying Hinduism is the mother of all religions. Recall how they brutally vandalized the same statue a year ago with execrable graffiti. But I guess communists have a problem with all Narendras, past and present. Now, who is this dunderhead who is interrupting me? Are bhai, Navika, can you please fade him out? ये यहाँ पे आप स्टूडेंट हैं या हैकलिंग ऑनर्स के स्टूडेंट हैं?
भाजपा से
आप हैकलिंग ऑनर्स पढ़ रहे हैं क्या?
पढ़ती थी भाजपा के आने के
कोई शर्म है तो आप सुनिए, मैं आपको सुन रहा था।
दीपक झा,
चुप हो जाइए।
दीपक झा, allow me to come in.
अरे कुछ पढ़ाई लिखाई करी है।
Deepak Jha, we'll have to lower your fader. You know, you can't continuously speak over everybody else. I've given you an opportunity to speak. You've expressed yourself. Now allow Dr. Anand Ranganathan to make his point. Okay, Dr. Anand Ranganathan.
No. Yes, so as I was saying before, I was interrupted by this person. You know, one may disagree with the views or ideology of Vivekananda or maybe ambivalent to them. But vandalizing his name and statue, you know, only means that you are a fascist. As their mentor Goebbels said, first rule of propaganda is that you accuse others of what you are guilty of. You know, one really has to ask these sickle ninjas, who do you want in his place? Karl Marx, who was the first to propound the two-nation theory in his 1853 book, The Eastern Question, or Mao, who killed 63 million of his own people, or the homophobic mass murderer Che Guevara, who ran concentration camps for gays and executed political prisoners at will, or Stalin, who ran gulags and killed millions, or closer to home, the CPI founder Dange, who wrote two groveling mercy petitions to the British to let him out of jail, or CPI founder EMS Namboodiripal, who said, and I quote, we will wreck Ambedkar's constitution from within. So who are their heroes? Anyone who hates India or demeans or wants a breakup. Even that is acceptable to me, believe me. But don't force your views on others. Navika, 20 seconds. A place of learning where only one kind of view is welcome is not a university, but a conformity. You need to learn how to allow for the views of the other person you disagree with from Vivekananda himself. But then अगर मार्क्स की जगह विवेकानंदा पढ़ा होता तो आज इनका ये हाल नहीं होता.
Modi has nothing to do with Ambedkar.
Stop now. This guy is
Granddaddy.